Hi, my name is Grant Kramer and I'm a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. Welcome back to my Backyard Vineyard series in Oceanside, California, San Diego County, where we've just gone into bud break. In this episode of season 5, this is the first episode, I'm going to go back a little bit and outline the steps and the things I've done prior to bud break. And then in subsequent videos, I'll go into more detail about them. In this video, first of all, there was the processing of my wine from last season, and I'll go through some of the details about that and how my wine came out. Second of all, I'll go into soil analyses, which are important, particularly because my soils have been problematic with nutritional issues. Third, we'll do pruning, but I'll just cover this very briefly because I've covered this in quite a bit more detail in the past. Well, let's get to it. As you may recall, I harvested my grapes on August 17th, 2025, because the bees had attacked my grapes and I had to harvest them early. After a cold soak and pressing, the wines were stored and racked several times through the season. The wine was placed in a refrigerator to cold stabilize it during the month of October while I was away on vacation. After cold stabilization, the wine was racked and then ultimately filtered before bottling. I bottled 4 cases of rosé, and I made a sparkling rosé by putting it in a keg and then pressurizing it with pressurized CO2. I'll talk about the wine more in the next video, but suffice it to say, I'm quite pleased with how it turned out considering the circumstances. This is a look at the right and left vineyards on February 1st before I pruned the vines. And here's the vines after they've been pruned on the next day. On the same day, I took soil samples from each vineyard and sent them off to A&L Western Labs for soil analysis. About 3 weeks later, on February 22nd, the buds begin to push on some of the vines. Bud break on this vine begins on February 27th. In my upcoming video, I will go into a lot more detail about bud break. Our weather has been pretty good. In fact, it's been seasonably warm this spring, and we had quite a bit of rainfall in December. But it's been relatively dry, and I've had to irrigate my vineyard a little bit, particularly because I have clay soils, and they really turn to rock if they don't stay moist. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please like it on my YouTube channel. This will alert others to watch this video as well. And if you really like the video and you want to see more videos on plant physiology, on more of my backyard vineyard, or even grapevines and winemaking practices, then I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.